I can't access this data. I totally don't get it. Hey Jerry, it's me. Please let me know if we need to order maintenance services for our production line. All this robot data is driving me crazy.
Hey, what's up?
Whoa, you scared me.
So, now we're even.
Oh, I totally forgot. I'm sorry, I can't seem to find the right balance today.
Is there anything I can help you with?
Thanks, but I don't think you'd understand.
I may not, but it's not what matters. We all heard what you're struggling with, and I've been down this path. At one point, I just accepted the fact that there are things that I will never understand. But it doesn't mean I can't have them transformed into something that my brain will be able to process. That's how I found the right balance. The human brain does all of the hard work for us when it comes to signals sent by our body. Let's not expect that it would be able to decode every piece of data generated by a device that it has little understanding of and is not connected to. The key to harmony is finding a predictive maintenance solution that is standardized and easy to use. Supports third-party equipment through Standard Secure Communication OPC UA and MQTT. Has a modern and intuitive user interface and many analytical functions tailored to your requirements. Also, it should not just be about data visualization, but also providing business intelligence information to the user. This is what the Iconics solution using the KPI Works visualization is about. But let's have a deeper look into what advantages it can bring to your business when combined with Mitsubishi Electric products. The Iconics visualization can be used on any device and is easy to scale. You just pay for how you use it, a single license when used on site, or a fixed subscription fee for a cloud-based solution. Let's see how it can run in the Microsoft Azure environment. First, let's get you registered. Then you can deploy a predefined virtual machine with the Iconics software already pre-installed. And that's it. Here's the gateway to your visualization options. Acting as a self-service dashboard, it allows you to find balance by tailoring the visual means to your preferences. Once you're comfortable with the layout, just drag and drop to visualize data. That's how it all becomes alive. If you don't feel like building the perfect environment from scratch, you can select a template. It all comes down to not only being able to see data coming from a production plant, but also being able to visualize data coming from a specific device in a user-friendly way anywhere you are.